When things get stressful, good decisions matter more than perfect plans. Hi, I am Laura, and I focus on autonomy, drones, cybersecurity, human machine teaming, exponential technology as such. And I've also spent years guiding canyoning expeditions worldwide. So, what has to do canyoning with technology and leadership? Well, a lot. In a canyon, conditions change fast. The gear helps, but it's not the point. What matters is how you read the situation, how you choose the next step, and how you keep the team moving safely. And that's exactly what happens with complex technology. Systems move fast, things break, risks just show up, and leadership is what turns all that complexity into clear action. And that's critical flow. Defense and technology, leadership and execution, and adventure and resilience. Episode 1 is coming soon. If this is your kind of topic, please subscribe, and I will see you in the flow.